Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to change the oil on a Lexus RX 350. First, gather your essential tools like a wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Make sure you have 5.5 quarts of new engine oil and a fresh oil filter. Park your vehicle on a level surface, engage the parking brake, and allow the engine to cool for at least 30 minutes. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe process. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, usually a 17mm bolt, underneath the engine. Position a large drain pan directly below the plug to catch all the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the drain plug with your wrench. Allow all the old oil to completely drain out, which typically takes about 10 to 15 minutes, ensuring a thorough flush. Next, it's time to replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to remove the old filter. Before installing the new one, apply a thin layer of new engine oil to its rubber gasket. This helps create a good seal. Hand tighten the new oil filter until snug, then give it an additional quarter turn with the wrench. Finally, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely to prevent leaks. With the new filter in place and the drain plug secured, locate the oil fill cap on top of the engine. Carefully pour in approximately 5.5 quarts of the recommended new engine oil. Start your vehicle and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the fresh oil. Turn off the engine, wait a moment, then check the oil level with the dipstick and inspect for any leaks around the filter and drain plug.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.